Hi, it's Tasha with WTI. I was looking for a cream that was low irritant because I have sensitive skin, and this Belif brand has really nailed it with this stress shooter Cica Balm cream. It is incredible. I love the way that it feels. It comes out nice and thick, but at the same time, it spreads very evenly and moisturizes very easily. I am in love with the results that I have gotten. I feel my face is a lot more smoother and less breakouts, less redness because I'm using this cream. I'm always looking for moisturizers where I feel comfortable with the ingredients. And also, I love the fact that this doesn't leave any residue on my skin. I don't feel a lot of stickiness. I love the way that I'm able to see it come out. This has been just a really great moisturizer that my skin just soaks up.
And that's my point of view.